So General Peter Eluelo has retired just for record purpose before whatever gets his next year. Let's look at the power rankings. The ranking is grounded in official UPDF leadership structure as of mid-2025. Let's dive in UPDF leadership power rankings, rising through the ranks. At number 8 is Lieutenant General Jack Agonza Bakasumba, Chief Joint Staff CJS. At the junior most among the listed ranks, Lieutenant General Jackson A. Bakasumba serves as Chief Joint Staff. Although inherently powerful in coordinating UPDF-wide functions, the CJS role ranks below command positions of operational forces. Bakasumba was elevated from Major General to Lieutenant General in mid-2025, reflecting administrative authority and institutional reforms, but still reporting to operational commanders and defense leadership. Next in line is Major General David Mujisha, aiding the Special Forces Command SFC, a critical unit entrusted with high-stakes operations like protective services, rapid interventions, and classified missions. His role is tactically significant yet subordinate in rank and broad authority compared to lieutenant generals. Lieutenant General Charles Otaima holds command over the reserve force at number 6. While commanding substantial manpower and logistic support, his position occupies a mid-tier slot in strategic importance relative to forefront operational commands and overarching national defense directives. A crucial operational commander, Lieutenant General Charles Okidi, oversees the UPDF Air Force. Although commanding an entire service branch, the Air Force domain places him in a higher rank than the reserve, but still under top-tier command roles. He transitioned from Chief of Staff to full Air Force Commander in November 2022. Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga leads the UPDF land forces. This command is particularly vital as ground operations remain core to UPDF's missions. Weakening operations, example Eastern DRC's Operation Shuja, give his role high strategic weight. He was appointed commander of land forces in October 2022. A step closer to the center of UPDF power is Lieutenant General Samuel Okiding, who serves as Deputy Chief of Defense Forces and the Inspector General. His dual role entails both support in top-tier policymaking and internal oversight, placing him above operational commanders in the periscope of influence. Recent reports also indicate he is slated for retirement as of August 2025. At the apex of professional military leadership stands General Moise Kenogaba, who was appointed CDF in March 2024 as head of UPDF. He holds ultimate administrative and operational control over all branches. His tenure has been marked by visible political prominence and a forceful public profile, drawing both national power and international scrutiny. So here comes what we call in Acholi ngema pa ngemi. Lodi Ruigine, as Bosmik says, undoubtedly the supreme authority over the UPDF is His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, serving as Uganda's President and Commander-in-Chief, as Constitutional Head of State and Defense, He commands the highest legal and operational authority over the military institution. Finally, this ranking reflects the formal chain of command and the strategic importance of each position in the UPDF as of mid-2025. It highlights how institutional power is distributed, ranging from specific operational commands to the central authority vested in the President and the Chief of Defense Forces.